This tutorial is how to upload a picture to an assignment. Some assignments may not be like a Google slide or a Google document, and it may need to be where we have an actual picture of your student's work. So for this specific one, I have writing, and writing is one of those things where we definitely want their handwriting. We want to see their spelling and their punctuation and all that kinds of things. So here you can see writing, test student, and then directions. Please upload a picture of your writing. I will leave feedback and grades. In order to do this, I need to click the arrow that says your work. And when I click that, it's gonna say add attachment or mark as done. Right now I wanna click add attachment. And it's going to let me choose whether it's from my Google Drive, a link, a file, pick photo, or use camera. I do not already have a picture of my writing, so I'm gonna use my camera. When students are using a camera to take photos of their work, it's best if it's taken directly from above, or get a second person to help them. That way, when they do take a picture of their work, we can see the entire picture and it's legible and readable for the teacher. So here you can see is some writing. I'm gonna take a picture. It's gonna give me the option to either retake that picture or use that photo. I'm going to use that photo. You will know it's done uploading when that box goes away. And it links it. Again, there's a little bit of lag time, just be patient, and it should pop right up there as a PDF file. And it has the date and the image. And now once you click turn in, your teacher will be able to see that you've completed that assignment, and they can go in and click on your picture and provide feedback and grades from that picture.